Today I want to show you how to take raw photos using a Samsung phone. Usually the raw photos are disabled because raw photos are around 25 to 30 megabytes and it takes a lot of space and it takes a lot of battery charge for using raw photos. So to take photos in raw, if you are a professional photographer, you need to go to the camera setting. And first I want to say is, if when you take raw photos, it's a little bit difficult for you to share the raw photos to Instagram or to your phone. You have an option to switch on save raw copies. So whenever you take a raw photo, a copy is saved in raw and also in JPEG format. So the raw photo you can edit in Photoshop, and a JPEG photo you can share quickly. So when you take photo in the normal photo mode in Samsung, it's saved just in JPEG. If you want to use a raw format, you need to go to the Pro version. The issue with Pro version is you can change any of these parameters such as ISO, aperture, speed, white balance, everything. But if you come here and change the temperature, tint, contrast, saturation, anything, the issue is whenever you change, it will save only in JPEG format. Doesn't matter if you are in the Pro version or the normal setting. So if you make any changes, you can just click reset and it will become to the normal setting, and then all photos will be taken in RAW as well as JPEG. That's it.